Hi guys, today I'm showing you a new birthday. You didn't get it yet, but now got this face feather. You guys get to say what does it look like, the face feather.
Yeah.
And it's just like the third stage. When it's in the fourth stage, you'll see its body gonna be like the body feather.
Oh my god, why did you escape Burn Monkey?
Why did you stupidly escape like you? So 2 hours? What is this? Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's gonna end. Oh, this is the Bank Beetle? Beetle Booster. 300 gem berries, 2000 melodia. The Gnats from a food flower shift once every 12 hours. Okay, what the heck? Next level. It's not really a game, okay? Oh man, now I don't have any gem berries. Oh yeah, and there's all my gem berries that I got from here. And also use all the hurry to see this sad. Okay, it's right here. Outstanding Orioles. That's what the event that it is in, okay? Here, medium. This is the legend. What? Go. Sanitary. What is this beak? Has the stiffest beak I've ever seen. I couldn't even eat any. I wish I could get the window. Looks so big for the like. And look, we just got the snowy. The cool face feather. Face feather. Look like a cut in half snowflake.
Oh, you make a video?
You should tell me that.